Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, February 7th, 2024. Let's take a look at Solana to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart, and what do we have here is of course the recent drop, 36% drop basically from the level of 125 towards this level of 79 tethers, which ended with some sort of the hammer candlestick pattern. Since then, of course, we have a very nice rally to the upside, and then at the top of this rally we got the shooting star. So let me just label this these things for you guys. So we got the hammer pattern here. So this is a hammer. All right, so oh, it's a little bit too big, so let's make it like 12. Okay, so we got a hammer candlestick pattern on the bottom of this movement to the downside, and here we got the other pattern, which is of course shooting star. So now what it all means, this candlestick pattern is the reversal pattern, and this candlestick pattern is the reversal pattern. Well, there are single candlesticks whatsoever. Nevertheless, we got the confirmation and we have the downward extension. So let me just zoom in here a little bit, because I would like to speak more about the current situation for the Solana. So as you can see, after the shooting star candlestick was made, we got this downside movement towards 94. Then we have a bounce, and then we still testing this level of the technical support located at 94 tethers. Of course, this is the key technical support right now in the short term, of course. So let me just make it a little bit more visible. We broke above the trend line, so everyone can see that. Now if we are trading above the trend line, maybe the next target for the boost should be to the upside. But let's take a look just at the newest price action. Let me just take a look at this array, and I need to make it a little bit different, so please bear with me for one moment. There you go. So what I want you to show is that from this shooting star high, roughly around the level of 106 tethers, yeah, we got this pattern here, and this pattern starts to look like some sort of the of course pennant one. Yes, so what we have here is maybe not that much like a classical pennant pattern. Nevertheless, if we pay attention, yeah, we got the lower pennant area, and we have the pole, and the pole is here. Yeah, so that might be some sort of the pennant pattern, something like this, which is why if this low is at 94, okay, so if this low is at 94, we should expect another movement to the upside. If we just copy this, and we should expect another movement to the upside towards 120. So 120 is another potential movement to the upside here. So when we are done, then 120 might be the target. As you can see, this pennant pattern is not that quite let's say classical, but it doesn't matter, because what it needs is that it's a bullish pennant. So the outlook on the Solana remains bullish. Let me just copy one of these levels to show you guys a very important level here, because where's my magnet? There you go. Because there is a top, right, we all know about it, 125. There is a lower high, 117. So this area is exactly the potential target area for the bulls. And to be very particular, let's just place the horizontal ray on the bottom, on the top of this target projection 120. So let's just make a different color so we will not get confused. Let's say it will be violet color. So this is the target, right? So let me just copy this text, and then just write down that this is the target. So the bullish pennant target. Okay, and let's make it violet, so everyone knows that this is exactly what we want to achieve. Now, very important area. If this is very important area, let's make it a little bit more like visible on our chart. We don't want too much attention whatsoever, but we want this to be a little bit, there you go, a little bit more visible, so we can do it like this. So that's the area. That's the very important area. This is the supply zone, and after the big rally, we've seen the market moving away from this area 36%. So that's not a coincidence, right? So let me just make this fill up a little bit even more, lighter. There you go. So 36% down. Now, how much did we move to the upside? So let's just take a look at this tool here. This is a Fibonacci retracement. It's a very nice tool to do the planning on let's say what is the actual retracement of the previous swing or a previous wave, down or up. It doesn't actually matter. All we need to do right now is to make it a little bit up to our requirements. So obviously we will not need any of this external levels. Let me just extend the lines, make it percentage, move it to the right side. So this is how you do it, and you actually see that 26%, 23% is done, 38% is done, 50% is actually done as well. So we don't need these levels here because they are already tested. And now the market went a little bit over 50%, a little bit below 61%. So 50% is now done as well. So we retraced almost 61% of the last movement into the upside. Let me just get rid of the number 1. So there is only one level here. And as you can see, there is still some room to the upside to be done. 107.50 is the actual target for the extension to the upside. What we need right now is the momentum, momentum tool. So my best momentum tool is the RSI. So what I want to do is to take a look here on the momentum tool, which is why the reason why we are looking on this is that because the momentum is right now testing the level of 50. So this is a very important area for all of the momentum traders, because if we break below the level of 50 and the momentum on a daily time frame chart would get towards the negative territory, that would only mean the situation on the Solana market is getting worse than expected, and we can drop even lower. And as you can see, there isn't any particular significant technical support right below the level of 94. There is almost nothing here. Maybe some support may be found at the level of 88, but then only the hammer low at 79 is the one that counts. So actually, let me just put my blue arrow here, and to indicate the importance of this level. So the market should bounce from the level of 50 and then resume the uptrend. Otherwise, this bullish pennant gets invalidated. All right, so that's my point. This is why I'm showing these patterns to you guys. Of course, then additional support is made by the 100 periods moving average, roughly around the level of 78 tethers now. But when we go lower, this moving average will be almost in line with the technical support at 79 tethers. So this is my outlook for the Solana for the next at least week, maybe a little bit longer. Please like it, subscribe to our channel as well, and of course I hope I will see you guys on the next video. We are going to talk about the different cryptocurrency, different altcoin, different tokens. So please bear with us next week for more technical analysis and trading insights. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.